So one of the greatest regrets I have ever since I started my online business was not creating and selling digital products right from the get-go. So I started creating digital products a few months back, and the first day I got an email from seller that I've actually made a sale, I rushed right to my seller account and I went to my payment section and I checked my wallet. And that was when I discovered that I actually have some money right in my wallet. But still, I wasn't convinced. So what I did was I transferred the money to my mobile money account. Luckily, seller accepts mobile money. So I just easily transferred it to my mobile money. When I checked my mobile money, I realized that I actually got the money in there. So I was beyond happy, right? And because I never knew that it was possible, I could actually make money selling digital products. I mean, it was just a template that I created a while ago. So I was actually shocked. So over the course of this few months that I've been creating and selling digital products, I've been able to make a little over 50,000 francs CFA, which is, when you convert to dollars, is roughly about $100 or so. And I know to a lot of people, it's not that huge of an amount. But to me, I think it's a very encouraging amount because remember, I never thought I could actually make money, any franc, from selling digital products. Secondly, the only place I was promoting my digital products was on my YouTube channel. And what I did was I would just grab the link and then just paste it there. So I've been very, very lazy when it comes to promoting my digital products. I think if I were to run an ad to promote a product, I think there's a potential of making more money from this product. And again, if I were to actually start creating and selling digital products right from the beginning of my journey here online, I think I would have made a little bit more or much more, because there was a period of time when I got a lot of traffic, especially from TikTok. And I was sharing my own experience about teaching online, and I got a lot of questions. There were so many people who were interested. So I'm guessing if I had created some form of a digital product, maybe a guide to show people how to actually teach online, I think I would have made much money from selling that product. So if you're thinking of making money online, I think selling digital products is one of the best ways to do that, because of course you don't need capital to actually do it. There are so many free softwares. I personally use free softwares to create my digital products. There is Canva, there is Excel, there is Microsoft as a whole. So there are so many free tools out there that you can use in order to create your digital products. And secondly, it's just a one-time thing. It has the passive income potential, of course, because you just need to create it once and you can sell it repeatedly, right? So even to today, there are some templates that I created a while ago and I am still getting sales. Now, the thing is to selling digital products is that your digital product should be able to provide a solution to someone. If your digital product is not providing any solution to someone, is not being helpful to someone, best believe that you're never going to make a sale. Anyways, with that said, I want to share with you my entire process on how I create and sell digital products online using all free softwares. Before we start, let's recap a bit. Now, digital products are anything that can be sold to customers virtually. They're usually in the form of an ebook, template, softwares, and videos. So whichever digital product you decide to create, the product should be a solution to a problem. The way I create digital product is following these 4 simple steps. Step number 1 is to look for the winning product idea. Step number 2 is to create the product, and I like to use all free softwares to create the product to make the most money from it. Step number 3 is to create the mock-up for the product. And then the last step is to actually upload the products on the marketplace so that we can easily receive payment directly into our account. So we're going to start with the product idea, and I'm going to be using Etsy to get inspiration. Now, Etsy is one of the best platforms to get inspirations when you want to create. If you want to create like some form of a digital planner, maybe any form of digital download, Etsy is your go-to website. Right, so you can see that different planners here, there are journals, so that so many different downloadables that you can get inspirations from. And you can also see the price, right, so that you get inspiration, you get an idea as to how much you can actually charge for a product. So if you want to get a product idea, all you need to do is to simply go to the search bar and type in a keyword And you're going to see a bunch of different templates, and you can just get design inspiration from it, and then you can go create your own. Another great place to get product ideas is on Amazon. Again, you can go to the search bar and type in a keyword, and you're going to see different product ideas that you can choose from, and then you can create your own. Now, for this video, I'm going to be creating a Bible study journal, which leads us to step number 2, which is creating the journal or the product. Now, Canva is a great software to use to create downloadable templates to sell online because it's free and it's also beginner friendly. Now, depending on where you want to upload your journal or your downloadable, you need to create it following the guidelines of the website that you want to upload to. For example, if you want to upload it on Amazon, you need to create your book following the Amazon ADP guidelines. Now, I'm going to leave the link of the video right here where I show you how you can actually create and upload your book on Amazon. Another software that I like to use to create digital download is Microsoft Word. That is because I don't need to use data. I mean, if you're in Africa, you know data is expensive and it's not really that swift. So I like to use Microsoft Word to create digital download. Now, because I'm going to be uploading this journal on Amazon KDP, I'm going to be creating it following the Amazon KDP guideline. Now, the first step is to put the size, give the size of my paper, also the margins. And again, my reference is from KDP guidelines. Next, we're going to be adding in some shapes and text boxes. I already have script written somewhere that I can just copy and paste here. So the bulk of the work is already done. Now, to create the line notes section, I'm going to be using tables to do that. Now, if you want to see a detailed tutorials on how to use Microsoft Word, I'm going to leave the link of that tutorial in the description box, so you can go check it out after this. Now, once the table is in here, the next thing is to select the table and go to the table design section, and then you can format it. Another great thing is that you can also add the lines, okay, so by just clicking the plus sign, and you'll be able to add the lines. Now, once that is done, we can also just duplicate this entire table and we drag and place it down. So once I'm done with this, I can just duplicate it and then we'll go to the next step, which is to create the mockup for the journal. We're going to be using another free software called Photopea. Now, to print mockup for this journal, the first step is to go to a free software like Mockup World and download a mockup template. And the next is to take screenshot of the journal, and we're going to bring the two of them inside this website and edit them to become one. Now, if you want to see a step-by-step tutorials on how I easily use this website to create mockup for books and for my templates, then you can go check it out in the description box. The link is going to be there. Now, once the mockup is ready, the next step is to upload the book on the marketplace. Now, Amazon is a very great marketplace, and I love to upload my books right here because not just because of the fact that it's an international online marketplace, but also because it is free and they take care of all the work for you. They take care of the printing, the shipping, and all you have to do is to just sit and you get your own royalties from the sales of the book. So it's a win-win situation. Another great online marketplace is Seller, which is perfect if you're an African seller. Now, this is a free online marketplace that you can also create an account with, and you can upload any downloadable there, maybe a video, a template, whatever form of digital product you have, you can upload here and you sell it. Another great thing about the website is that it accepts Orange and MTN mobile money transfer, and that simply means that you can receive your money directly into your Orange and mobile money accounts. Now, to upload a downloadable product here, we're going to go to our profile, go to add a payment, go to digital products. This is a downloadable product. And then first is to add in the images or the mockup for your book. And you can add it more than one images here, as you can see. Next is to go to the name of the product, add in a name. Next is a sales price, add in a sales price. And then next we're going to go to description. And you're going to give a brief description of your book, and we're going to be using ChatGPT to help us with that. I want to give in this prompt, write an engaging 200-word product description to sell my Bible study journal, include relevant keywords to help optimize for any discovery, keep the tone friendly and simple to understand. And it's going to write us a script here. If you don't like the script, you can also add C to make it simpler to understand and make it shorter. Now, once you're happy with the script, you can now copy it and come back to Seller, go to the description section and paste the script there. Now, next is the category. Go and choose your category, and next is subcategory. You can also skip the other part and go directly to where you're going to upload your file. We're going to choose downloadable file here, and then just click on the drag and drop area, and then you can drag and drop the PDF document of the journal or the template that you have created, whichever downloadable documents you have created here. Now, once that is in there, once it's uploaded, you can just click create products on the bottom right corner and your product is going to be live. You can share the link. Whenever someone buys, you're going to receive money in your wallet, which you can then transfer directly to your mobile money account. All right, guys, so that is the process of how I usually create digital products to sell online. Now, you can also upload videos on this platform if you want to create courses to sell. That's another digital product, and you can make money selling digital products. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, please do not forget to hit the thumbs up button and also hit that subscribe button if you have not yet subscribed to the channel. Thank you so much for watching, guys. See you in the next video.